To set up a folder using Google Drive, you need to go up to your drive and hit New Folder. Then you name your folder. I'll name mine EDCI 270. Create. And then I am able to open my new folder. I don't have any files in there currently. But in 270, you then can create a folder within, and I will do it for my theme work. So then I'm able to go back to my drive, drag in any assignments that I feel need to go in each category, and then move my theme work to my theme work folder. To create a new file, you just hit new, and then your type of document or slides that you would wish to use. I'll use a Google Doc. Once that loads, you are able to title your new document. Theme work. Save it. And then to share it, you hit your share button. And you type in the person's email address so they're able to get it. And then you can send it to them. Send. And then you can go back to your drive, your regular drive. And then you're able to move that into there. Voila.